Hey guys, it's Mindy, and I'm here with another tutorial for you. This tutorial is going to be about web page coding structure. This is also HTML part 1, introduction of a long line of HTML classes that I hope to be tutoring soon and bringing to you guys soon. So if you are very new to HTML, this is for you. If you're not new to HTML, if you have a basic understanding of HTML, this is not for you. Any experts or professionals, this is a total waste of your time. Don't bother. But if you are fresh and new off the HTML wagon, then this is for you. This is going to be the web page coding structure. And I'm going to explain it very easily, because I know being new, it's sometimes difficult to understand every element that's going on in a web page. I'm going to break it down, and I'm going to use an example of a house and the foundation. This is the foundation. It's plain, it's boring, but it's the foundation. And this is what HTML is to a web page. This is the house part of the structure of HTML. And this is the roof. This is your complete HTML structure. As it is, it's pretty boring. There's nothing exciting about it, but this is what it is. This is what holds your web page together. The foundation, the walls, and the roof is all considered the HTML structure. Now, if you want to get fancy and add a door, or maybe some windows, or maybe you want to get a little more fancy and add maybe some grass, some steps, and why not throw a couple trees in there? This is what you would call the CSS, cascading style sheets. This is what makes your HTML page beautiful and adds style to it. Now, it could be a plain boring house, bare bones HTML, or you can get it a little classy and add some CSS, the styling of the sheet. Now, doors, trees, those are what we call background stylings or colorful stylings. Next, if you really want to get interactive with your page, you want to open up your home and add the utilities, lights, water, and air conditioning, especially if it's hot. This is what we call JavaScript. JavaScript is the interactivity of the web page, the thing that makes the web page function. I'm going to explain it a little further as we move on. The house, which was the foundation that we just discussed, consists of the HTML markup language. HTML tells the browser that this is a markup language, and that's what it stands for, hypertext markup language. Head, which is next after the HTML, contains the information about the document. When we add a slash after head and another head after that, it's called a closing tag. Every HTML page has an opening and a closing tag. Body holds the content for your web pages that will show on the browser, and it also has a closing tag. In HTML, the beginning sign, the hypertext markup language, also has a closing tag. That is the foundation of any page. You cannot start a page unless you have that HTML foundation. No matter what language or coding you're using, HTML is always the foundation. Now the style. Wrapping your house in a pretty little bow and making it beautiful. CSS, as I mentioned before, stands for cascading style sheet. And it can be used to add color, display text, create cool layouts, style text, fonts, links, tables, and more. Anything you would like to add to your web page to make it really cool and funky so people can enjoy it a little bit better. It adds the color and the overall style to your CSS or your foundation. Now the utilities, as we mentioned before, which is also the JavaScript, is the functionality of the page used to create interactivity on your site. This is what you would use to create your buttons, drop-down navigation menus, forums, games, quizzes, comment boxes, and much more. That's it for our demonstration, and that's it for this tutorial. Next is going to be HTML basics, and it's going to be beginning with the HTML structure. I hope you join me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please comment and subscribe. Thank you, and see you again.